Mach Medical is a contract manufacturing company that serves the orthopedic implant industry. We serve a very high mix, low volume industry. So we're making a lot of different things at not large quantities. And in order to do that effectively, we needed to figure out ways to standardize our factory to serve a breadth of products and process them in a very economic way. A lot of times you see companies that have a lot of disparate systems and they're trying to fit them together. One of those basic systems that we've built our company on is the Siemens Teamcenter and NX platforms. All of our engineering is built off of that platform, as well as our quality management system is built into that platform. Our team has access to every bit of quality data, all of our quality processes, all of our quality records, everything associated with quality within that platform. It's super intuitive. It's been a game changer for us in supporting customer audits, regulatory body audits, those kinds of things. And it's so intuitive. It's also minimized the learning curve that our new employees have in terms of understanding our quality management system.